There was a young man who used to take people from one island to the other on a boat. He was not educated as such, but he was earning a living. And as he got a group of professors onto his boat, they began to mock at him. And the moral of the story is, don't mock at them, no matter who, what, where, why, and how. Don't mock. So they got onto the boat and they started saying, have you been to school? He said, no. Do you know biology? He said, no. He said, you wasted your life. Do you know sociology? No. Do you know geology? No. And they started laughing and mocking at him and so on. A little while later, the boat began to rock and the waves were huge. And as the boat is rocking, this young man throws at them a few of these life vests and he says, guys, we have to be ready to jump in perhaps if there is any emergency. He says, do you know swim? He said, no. He said, you wasted your life. Biology.